Once in a while, something comes along that blows everything else away. Power feels infinite. There are no limits to what you don't see. Dell OptiPlex Ultra marries the beauty of an all-in-one with the flexibility of a desktop for a zero-footprint modular all-in-one solution totally hidden in the stand. Eliminating the expected, increasing workflow. OptiPlex Ultra can be tailored to fit any workspace. Dell Optimizer with built-in AI brings a new level of intelligence. Keeping you ahead of the game, the future front and center, your best work breaking through.